Welcome to the National RV Training Academy. The main entry leads you into the lobby. Directly to your left is one of the two entrances to Classroom 2. In the center is the Student Info Desk, the office of our dedicated student concierge. To the right, you'll find the Classroom Schedule portal. This portal will show you which class you're scheduled for. It will also host many of the day's announcements. Moving through the main lobby double doors, you'll find our multi-use Bay Classroom. The Bay Classroom is used for many of our larger classes, as well as hands-on labs. Directly behind the Bay Classroom is Classroom 3 and its lab area. To the left of the Bay Classroom are Classrooms 1 and 2. Classrooms 1 through 3 are used during our advanced certification courses. Across from Classroom 3 are the bathrooms and the kitchen. The kitchen is always stocked with fresh coffee and snacks. We also have a wide variety of food items available to purchase for lunch. We're looking forward to seeing you in class.